Hindi ganyan siya ma'am, basta mo niana siya ganyan sa kuha hikapa kung dili gahi. Basta mo gahi kina stagnant ay ang blood circulation, dili ka penetrate ang
Oo.
dugo. So
Sa circulate.
siya kasi circulate mo sakit din mo benhod.
Magkano din.
Dito
Kada din
naman siya
mga nalalita, nalay na yung problema.
Oo, nanay.
Nanay, kuwan ka ng beads, pang-ibit.
Kasi mo ulit ka mayroon. Dito sa Amerika, nani yung 13 dali ara kayo ng hinahamuan.
Dali na dito, magpan sila,
13 dali ara kayo na kay manipulation ra nila ha.
Diretso man lang sila.
Nakita na ko na sa iyong video, binako ka na magkagisa ng kwan.
Dili naman para kuha na sa mga ugat ng para mo daloy din siya.
Lahi din.
Daloy ito yung
You feel good, be?
Sir,
How you feeling?
it's hot down here.
It's hot. We did this ako. Ikon mo.
No, I mean, it's sweating to death. You know,
Day,
they put heat to the back.
ikon dito siya.
Hindi, okay lang kasi na ang ihang bakton. Kailangan mo. Mula na ba lang lang?
Nasa pukit ko.
Kailangan lang.
Wala ka lang.
You feel now the air in your face?
What?
You feel the air in your face? Okay.
Kaya ano, pero hindi mo lang po sila sa pangkul. Kaya ano, tututin niya naman, delikado na kayo.
Niagi na na sa pan.
No?
Si cancer.
Kaya po siya kumbo, ako yung nani.
Dapat nakarelax siya sa nabi. Mag-drive pa meron.
Mupan pa mo no.
Mag-travel pa.
Siya may mag-drive?
Oo.
Ako ba uli ma'am?
Bukid.
Harapit siya?
Di matali.
Ano ba bang ginatali?
1 hour and a half hour. 2.
Wapo na dala niya no?
Daay kayo sa Binuay.
Sa bukid na. Paakyat ng bukid.
Sa bukid siya di mataling.
Oo. Dili man sa highway.
Yung di mataling, motor-motorong, hindi lang yung dala
Oo. Dinas man may pasibol. Nakot lagi mo dalan nito.
Kaya siya, nang nagmukabon daan niya ang mga ito. Nakuha, sakit. Hindi man kaagigin yung buwan. Nanganad na siya kaya rin mga.
Oh, anad na eh.
Sige.
Nakuha mo na siya, napiya mo itong 20-year-old siya, dahil walang ipakuha na kaya rugit siya. Hurt be?
Yes.
Sakit no.
Pero siya, rinhan ka ng gila.
Baka hindi niya kaya.
He's trying to push that nerve down, and it's not going to happen. So, but he can do it.
Yeah. Nakabigay, di man
It's
na
not
siya.
going to happen. CAT scan and everything says it's there.
Nag-out mo na yan, Juan.
Si Paul na.
Kapin. Wala na siya ginagawa dito.
Wala ka na dito eh.
Wala.
Curious,
Gusto mo
yes.
i-crack mo dito.
Yes. Picture ba para makita niyo?
Ikrat ko na ito, pero may gawan.
Oh. Sige na cracking yung bear ba?
After.
It's not the only one
This
that
one,
way.
the preparation method.
Para unsa na siya, sir.
Para ma-open na siya ng country, ma'am. Buluag siya, ma'am. Mas dali siya kuwan, buluag naman siya. After ano siya, balik na po, painit lang na po. Magmukuhan siya, buluag. Kayahin na ikaw man. Ikuhan po na siya, decompress po na siya, gikan rin, no? Anak, decompress po. So,
Nauna mo ba na dito? Wala siya. Tanan.
mura na.
Tanan. Side by side, pag-ibang.
Dire po, decompress po, dire.
Oh.
Yan rin lang, kaya rin na, kape ko dyan.
Di ba si mga pero kaluya na mag-drive pa rin.
Siya yung mag-drive naman niya.
O, siya mag-drive.
Napapili.
Relax yung ibang.
Tinataling pa naman yun.
Wala tayo, kabalo tayo mo tayo.
Ako, pero di mo ko na mo
Kaya,
ikaw.
wala na lang.
Kung ito mo naman sa ano eh, ba kayo madlok mo.
Ano pa niya, basta tayo, after kayo, dapat relax tayo. Kuhan mo na, umuhag mo niya yung kuhan.
Tulog lang mo bila.
Relax mo sa kita.
Manila sa Amerika, pwede mo drive. Ito
Hindi ba? Sa
Ah,
kanya.
yeah.
Interest naman na kasi.
How many minutes gonna be that way? Pila ka minuto?
Wala naman, 3 minutes lang, dali lang yun.
3 minutes. Pwede na church. Ganun ako niya dala ng belt niya.
Dalawa, sir.
Wala pa, pukawan, di pa natin kanaw. Magulunod ka.
Okay, wala man na. Disalay man imong bones.
Pangit ka tawang panahon.
Dislocate ba niya?
Talaga, dislocate.
Dislocation, no?
Mura siya ka ng operasyon sa CIS nga pagpangit at yun.
Yeah,
Baby?
after this, we'll go get the material and then we'll head home. We'll
Okay.
get groceries tomorrow.
Alright.
Because we ain't gonna have time. It's 3 o'clock now.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
Dislocation niya. Dislocation niya.
We will see babe, what time na gonna be done.
Pawisan.
Hindi siya.
Nauban ko pa. Asuhan na.
Sir, balik ko.
Dali naman sa mga crossing na sa container.
Wala din siya. Kanina, wala mang natutungan. Dali, ito na katutungan niya pa.
Ito tapos ito lang.
Nang po ito ay patuloy sa mga yan.
Ano pa may katong ano kaya? Ano kaya paso ka?
Kanina siya pa nang dito. Parang yung ganun lang. Ikaw pero lang niya. Yung bibilis yung ubikan. Ano lang eh. Pero kanina namin yung dito. Yung sige lang nila dito. Tawa na niya. Hindi nila rapid. Kuha na niya. Itik. Parang nagtulog ang gusto yung pagkakan ba? Hindi ba? Wala na ganun. Actually, ako naman kayo namin.
Kaya sa mga pangalan mo kayo. Nabahan mo.
Yan, yan. Sige. So, mag-start mo din tayo. Kaya, pagkakot na ito. Ano tayo ng kilo? Hindi ka ng kilo. Sakit
You
na
could
siya.
take this on.
Sakit na, sakit.
Sakit. Sakit.
Hindi lang, amunta lang.
Isang minute din.
Pwede ng mga matigulang na kaya ng mga subang yung tulak mo, no? Dili rin na siya. Bakit ng mga anak mo pinag-angalap ako.
Ano, kailangan exercise. Kailangan ba?
Oo, di, hindi na kadabis. Hindi na kadabis. Hindi na kadabis.
Oo.
Kani kung permit
Ito, ayaw niya ka. Hingal daw siya.
Hingal?
Yung mister ko nag-gym.
Ah,
Pero ano na siya, 64. Pero ano lang, light lang ba? Sa Paula, so kung pangalan.
That's enough.
okay.
Hindi siya mag-exercise. Malay.
My friend, just relax, my friend, ha?
Yeah.
I will start here, my friend. Then,
Yeah.
go down, okay?
Okay.
Just relax. When I apply force, relax only, okay? Just like this. Okay, okay. Just like that. Relax, my friend. Okay, good. Just relax, my friend. Okay. Done. And then now, my friend, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down, yeah, sit down.
Did you snap my
Face
neck
here,
on?
face here.
Kaya, Amerika din yung
He can't snap on that.
Ano na lang?
America, di ka
The other
na.
guy snapped my neck. He just snapped it. I just heard it pop in.
My friend,
But
little bit backward, little bit. Okay, just like that.
there,
And like this. Put your wrist on your head. Okay? Okay. Don't hold your hand, okay? Just like this, okay?
Okay.
Up your head.
Yeah.
Up your head. Okay? Straight your body. Good, just like that, okay? Just like I will put my hand here. Okay, then lie down to me, my friend. Lie down, lie down.
oh, you?
Lie down, lie down, lie down. Just relax.
Yeah, here it goes. Popped it.
Okay. Just like that. And then lie down here. Right.
Put my
Yeah.
on the side like this.
No.
Like this?
Like, yeah, just like that. All you want to do now is decompress your spine.
Yeah.
Okay, first, and then side.
Okay. Yeah.
Bantay daw, bantay daw.
Now the end, okay ba? Up little bit. Up little bit here. Come here.
Up, babe.
Okay, just like that.
Yeah.
All you want to do is just tie your teeth together. Do not bite your tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Relax your shoulder. Your tummy turn into jelly, okay? Just relax. Compress lang sa daan. Up your head.
Up your head, baby, up,
Just like
up.
that. Okay, down.
Down.
Okay. Just what I said, my friend. Do not bite your tongue. Inhale, exhale with your nose. Inhale, exhale.
Inhale, exhale.
Exhale.
Exhale, exhale, babe.
Exhale. Okay. One more.
Inhale.
Exhale. Okay. Last one. Exhale. Just relax, my friend.
God damn, that felt good. Oh, God.
Feel good, huh?
Right down to the end of my asshole. Yeah. Huh?
Okay, just relax, just relax.
Relax na, baby.
Just relax.
Masaya na siya.
Just relax.
Baby, ka natambak agad mo niya, baby.
Yeah, I don't know if I can take this beating again. He's good. I just can't take the,
The veranda.
well, the
Rolling pad,
well,
rolling.
no, the heat. Jesus, he puts 400 degrees to your back.
Just
right?
relax, my friend, okay?
Down this way?
Little bit up, my friend. Up, little bit.
Which way? This
Shoulder,
way?
baby.
Okay, just like that. And then hold here, my friend. All you want to do is just hold here. Just like that. Hold. Okay.
That's it.
The other one. Oo, matong kapanan mo.
Can't reach it, my shoulder.
Okay. Oh, just
Like
like
that?
that. Okay. And then, just relax this one.
Just relax the baby.
Relax. Once you can
Yeah,
relax.
your legs is relax, okay? Because
Yeah, they'll relax
you
once you relax.
gonna,
They're tight, I know.
yeah, this one. Your sciatic nerve, okay?
Sciatic nerve.
Just relax. Okay, my friend. Relax, do not apply force. Relax. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay, relax. Yeah, okay. One more. Just relax.
Relax, baby.
Okay. Okay, my friend. There
You
you
just
go.
want to sit one second and relax, huh?
This one.
Okay, relax, relax. Okay, one more, relax. Okay.
I think he's trying to make me fall.
Because baby, they said your legs is not balanced.
I know.
Yeah. Is it that one there? Okay. Lateral. And then,
Down your head, babe.
this one.
You're not pwede.
Like this.
Oh, okay, that's like that. Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw naman ay makatawan.
Shoulder. Oh,
Right there.
Yeah.
do not
You stay there, baby. Stay. Don't move.
Wait. Okay, this is us. That's okay. Oh, one more. Your stomach.
Yeah, one more the
Inhale,
baby.
exhale. Okay, this is it. Okay, ganun.
Okay.
Another one.
Yeah.
Meron nga rin basta.
Like that.
This you can kayo sa kapatakanak ko madaot ang pasyente.
Okay, that's it. Relax your stomach, my friend. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. Okay, just relax. Okay, one more. Okay, good. Just like that. And then, that's it. No.
Relax ka sa baby.
Okay.
Your back page, you cannot kick on like kind.
I finished the jam.
Another. Shoulder, relax a bit. Okay, then exhale.
Inhale, exhale.
Exhale. Okay, done. Good. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, just relax. Repeat it, repeat. Then,
You okay, babe?
Yeah.
that's it. Another one, this one, another one, because this is the problem, okay?
The lip problem ba your back?
I know that's the
Right side.
problem, right?
That's one. Little bit, relax. Balik ka lang. Okay, relax, relax. Good. I am going to straighten it, okay? Till me too much pimple, okay? Pimple,
Mm-hmm.
this one,
Yeah.
this one.
Fine, yeah.
Okay for me?
Yeah.
Kasi pasa naman.
Di man sa tapos bigyan.
Ano may problema sa baby?
My friend, push your legs downward. Okay, good. Down, okay. So that this one will move your legs, okay? Push.
Cross hard daw, baby.
Push. Para yung stretching ka din ang active. Okay. Push. Okay, okay. And then, come back here, go back there again. So that you will fix your legs, you will shoot the other one.
Yeah, it's always been shot up.
You will fix it now.
So I'm gonna walk this way, huh?
You will like this one. Allow me yung maximum.
Oh, na-balance na, babe.
Yeah.
Legs is balanced na.
It's balanced now?
Yeah.
Good.
Good job na, babe.
Ito po na.
Kailangan mo rin. Well, tutong na kayo. Ganyan, layo ka ito ganyan. Ganyan siya.
I gotta tell Daniel, he's better learn how to do chiropractor work. Huh?
Baby?
Huh?
Baby?
I gotta tell Daniel that he better learn how to do goddamn chiropractor work in America.
Yeah.
Because he snapped my neck, my middle back, and the lower back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are from abroad, but they are working they are from
The
abroad.
medium is Arab country.
Chiropractor.
Oh, it's mo. Ano, one, tira ko pandemic. Ito rin, babalik ko.
Pero saan ka nag-training?
Dito rin ako.
Ah, dito.
Sa eskwela ko sa amo. Doktor ako amo.
Pabalikan ka dito?
Hanapin na rin ako pero sa koron. Pero wala ako ko.
Training mo ka para wala kang boss. Tagad din ito ka?
Oh, Ito lang siguro. Ano kaya ang ipanuman yun? Tukpong no?
Balance na your legs, babe.
Okay, ano lang. Ano siya itong bansa? After yung
Dapat si Manang
Up there,
magtulong
legs.
sa-
Okay, relax lang. Relax.
Manong mo pag ganito to.
Just relax. Okay, relax. Relax, okay. Okay. Ah, ano na, taas na rin siya ng punto ron. Taas-taas na gamay. Naniyo na rin siya, paano na rin siya?
Wala.
Paano na rin siya rin? Pero kani, dapat lang siya maintain ng dali kay kung lagi siya kung lagi.
Oh, psoriatic nerve. Kinabi siya, he have an injection every 3 months. So she can
Ano
walk.
yung tawel? Kani, kaya sa tiil ka.
Huh?
I tell him that you have injection every 3 months.
Yeah, because the sciatic nerve was right down to the toes.
My friend,
Right.
okay, just like that. Okay, lie down just like that. Okay. Awira sa tabi, Ram. This one, you okay. This one is relax. Okay, flash was my friend. Other one. Okay. Just like that. Just like that, my friend.
Yung sabi ng bait niya. Ang Cairo. Hindi ka din.
Relax, relax, relax.
Takot ako niya.
Relax, relax.
Ah.
Nariyan, arthritis.
Easy, buddy.
Ah, okay, okay.
That nerve goes right to the knee. Okay?
Pwede rin ka mabalik, babe.
Then,
But-
sit down again, my friend.
Sit down again.
Yeah, sit down again.
That knee only can bend so far.
My friend, this one is one of your leg,
Yeah,
the other one is this one. So,
I understand that.
You
Yeah,
sit down, babe, squat there.
like that.
Yeah, this one is over here. The other one is one.
Over here and here.
Yeah. There you go, like you ride
No,
yung
that- okay.
motor.
Just like that.
Drive
Pero baka
motor.
gusto lang. This one, my friend. Okay, like that.
Kapul.
You want to do is just relax. Walk good.
Just
Okay.
relax, baby.
Yeah.
Close your
Do
eyes.
not apply force, okay? Do not.
Hey, I'm not.
Inhale, exhale. Gira.
That's it.
Okay.
You okay now?
Yeah.
Isa.
Ah,
Last na pira pa rin.
last.
Ano na siya last na decompression. Pero solid.
Para solid din. So,
Wala yung Pilipino mong treatment mo.
lagi.
Hindi alam mo. Pero karon siya ma'am, dapat i-relax yun siya. Muna kung ganyan niya, dapat relax yun.
No, maybe I'm the one to drive eh.
What's that?
Maybe I'm the one to drive.
No, I'll be fucking there.
Okay, lie down my friend, lie down. Lie down. Another round, decompression. Up, little bit. Okay, good. So, another round, okay? This is the last decompression. Okay, then up your head. Okay, just like that. Okay, same as before. Do not bite your tongue. Okay? Okay. Inhale, exhale with your nose. Exhale. Okay, good. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Okay. Okay, enough, my friend.
Bingo.
Bingo.
That it?
That's it.
You're all done with me?
Yeah.
You sure you're done? You're not beating on me?
Okay, relax my friend. Okay, face this one here. This one.
Yeah.
This pimple here.
Yeah.
Pimple, this one. This one. Pimple here. This one.
Yeah.
Did you
Pimple
make
pin,
this,
no?
this is pimple here.
Yeah.
That
Is
is
painful, babe?
this
No
one.
painful?
There is pain.
Yeah.
There is pain or no pain here?
No pain.
Okay, good.
No pain at all.
Okay.
Can't have any pain after you beat on me. Took all the pain.
Ah,
Ay, pala friend.
Just relax, baby.
Woo!
Sit down there.
Can I put my pants on?
Okay.
See what you're gonna go through, Dodon. Huh? Feel hard? Huh?
little bit.
No,
Yeah.
it's not.
It's hard.
Pimples.
No, it's not. It's just uncomfortable, some of the stuff.
How does it
Not
feel?
comfortable.
That's great.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's the first time
First time.
First
the
time.
guy can ever snap my neck.
Oh, the doctor in America, they don't want to stop.
America, they won't